Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things are down there where I keep my linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I do thank you for watching. I do thank you for your time. Let's rock. friend of mine is blind, like blind. She's also on medication. So what I wound up doing was I had some 2x2 that already had a channel in it and drilled them to depth, stained them so she can tell the right from left. I want to keep making them because I think there's something to it. And I want to make them better. So, this has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things are down there where I keep the linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I'm trying to help. I think it helps. I've been told it helps. The person I gave one to said they'd really like it. And if it becomes a thing, I can make them more symmetrical, shall we say. But the key is that key. So visually impaired can see right from left. That's what it's for. Find it in the dark. Thinking a lighter stain, but I'll do that when I have better lumber. Provided this is a thing, if it takes off. And Etsy, this is my idea. Back the fuck off. Copycat and sons of bitches. Mine. Mine. Bye.